your first day of kindergarten, Clark, remember?
Nope.
You couldn't go. Get over to the left a little. You couldn't go to school because you were flooded in Vermont. Remember when we couldn't go home while the roads were flooded?
Yeah.
And they had to start school like late.
Oh my goodness. That is insane.
Go over. Use the whole road. It's all yours. Go up over to me.
Mama's over, Pam.